my dear student and my dear subscriber. Today I would like to share the importance of talking. We know that it is a lockdown period and now we have enough time to explore the new things. So talking is that subject which helps you to explore the new things, right, by using this specific topic, right? If you want to see these type of videos in the future also, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, first of all, what is docking? See, docking where target is joined with the ligand, that is docking, right? Or we can say that target is a protein, or protein we can say that say that protein is present in our body and ligand is a drug which we wanted to take, right? When docking occurs when protein interacts with the ligand, right? And after that there is a system preparation mean here there are a number of processes. If you want to know about that processes, please do mention in the comment box. I would like to share that also, right? After the system preparation we need to do docking calculation after scoring, and last is a post processing. What do you mean by post processing? Means after that when the docking is complete we need to check their scoring function or their binding affinity or binding calculation. That is all about post processing functions, right? See, this is the process of the docking, how the docking is going to occur, right? This is a target protein, or I can say that these are the enzymes that are present in our body, right? Next is this is a ligand or the drug or inhibitor or any kind of vaccine that are going to produce effect in a body, right? Now using the in silico approaches we can gather the information regarding their binding modes, binding motive, like how the ligand or respective vaccines they are going to produce the action, right? This is all about the docking, importance of docking, how docking is helped to design new compound, new vaccine, new antiviral, antibacterial, any kind of new chemical entity. Student, you can use this approach to design new compound. We know that nowadays it is a COVID-19 lockdown. Now we have enough time to explore new things. See, by using this approach you can design the antiviral drug for these type of pandemic diseases, right? These are main, I have categorized the importance of the docking into the particular categorization. It will help to design new vaccine, new chemical entity, new antiviral drug, or the novel compound. Why I mentioned the antiviral drug? We know that nowadays these are number of viral diseases occurred, so we have to focus our research in that direction. That is the requirement of the society, because we as a researcher think that we should do any kind of work for the welfare of the society or the nation, right? This is all about the importance of talking. Student and the viewers, if you really like to watch these set of videos in the future also, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. God bless you.